Okay, now it's your turn. You are going to solve two problems today. One is a one-step problem and one is a two-step problem. Your job is to figure it out. Here are what your problems say. Joey has basketball practice 2 nights a week. She practices for 45 minutes each night. How many minutes did she practice last week? Make sure you read it again. Make sure you do a strip diagram, equation, estimation, and solve. And of course, make sure you check your answer with your estimation to make sure it was reasonable. Your second question says a garden has 3 rows of plants. There are 15 plants in each row. A farmer wants to bag up all of the plants and split them into 5 equal groups to sell. How many plants will be in each group? Again, read the problem again. Create a strip diagram, equation, estimation, and solve. Check your answer with your estimation to make sure it made sense. After you're completely done, turn it into Google Classroom. If you have any questions, ask your teachers. I'll see you later. Bye.